Welcome to Shoni's World and thank you for watching. Today we are going to make Topa Kuler Chutney, which is made by my cousin's wife. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to cook it slowly and let it cook fully through for the best results. Let's watch. If you like my videos, do click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, do click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to be notified of the next video next time. Take care and thank you to all my loyal subscribers. Let's watch. So Topa Kuler Chutney ki diyechi amra
Topa Kul, chini and gur powder.
Oh, gur powder. Topa Kul, chini and gur powder.
And উপর থেকে পাঁচফোড়নের yeah,
chop. So that's it.
Yeah. So I'm making the পাঁচফোড়নের gur right now.
Roasting it.
Yes. হয়েছে বাট ভীষণ দুষ্টু
Bhaja mosla being made, roasted pachforon and now being browned. তারপর তেল দিলে না কি আগের থেকে তেল দিলে I miss.
No, there is no oil.
There is no oil. Wow, very healthy other than the sugar element.
Yes.
আর কি গুড় দিলেন?
Just one teaspoon to just put the off oil.
Yeah.
1 teaspoon to put the Topa Kul, and then we had put sugar. And when it is cooked, then I put gur powder, normal gur powder.
Normal gur powder.
But
And this
I'm
is a
missing-
beautiful chef. Mala. And we are having lovely. Yeah. পরে আমরা খাবো and we'll show all our expressions.